7 trains? While you're hunting for all those trains, make sure you stop by and grab something to eat at the Main Street Cafe. It used to be an old jail, but don't let it look fool you. The food is delicious. And also, try some of the nice pretzel salad. What do you know? There might be a train here. This is today's history lesson. As you may know, this is a cannon. Now, back in the olden days, they would have 2 people who would work with the cannon. One would load it and one would fire it. Of course, one person had to get out of the way, but they would put gunpowder in it and a cannonball, and the other person, which I can't fire it today, they would light a fuse that could be reusable and it would fire. And they had to tie it down or else it would come back. So I'm going to tell you something. Number 7 is definitely the hardest one. But you can find it with a little help of the Chamber of Commerce. And I'll give you one little hint. You might have to drive a little bit, but it's not on Main Street, but it's not too far from Main Street. And let's just say it's a large structure. I'll say that. So good luck finding it. I finally found all 8 trains, and I came to the Chamber of Commerce inside of the YMCA to pick from a variety of prizes. I got this little wind-up train. It's really cool. So come do the Trains on Main scavenger hunt and follow me on my amazing adventure.